Let me show you how to fold like a pro, like Mama does it, like a hotel does it, like a store chain does it, and it's easy. Let's do the 21 Pilots t-shirt. Got some merch here. So that's the front, and now I'm gonna put the front towards me. Peace signs. Oops, peace signs, 2 of them. Put the peace signs and then put your other fingers in the front and wrap the back. Wrap to the back. Wrap to the back. Wrap with the clothes. Wrap however you want. That's how it goes. I'm talented, right? Let's try again. Peace signs. Front towards you. Wrap it. Use the floor to place it down and flip. You can use a table or you can also use your lap. It's easier, I find, if I do it on my lap. It just seems to work better. And look at that. Beauty, eh? What about jeans? Got the back side away from you, front towards you, flip, take the bum, shake it a bit, and then put it against your body. Use your body, it's the easiest. Flip it over, and then take and put your hand right there, and flip, and use your body, and look at that. A beautiful set of jeans, just like you would probably see in the store. You can use your body to do it. You can put it on the floor, whatever works best for you. Just nice, compact, no wrinkles when you take them out. No weird creases down the front either. You don't want those weird, creases down the front. That's kind of old school. You don't want that. Do you have a pile of towels in your bathroom that just kind of look, Always go to a hotel, think, wow, they look so special and beautiful. It's just all in the way they fold them. Your towels can be like mine. They can have a hole in them even. And it doesn't matter, because if you fold them the right way, they're gonna look beautiful. Got the tag on the inside. Fold it over. And don't let go of the top. Fold it again. Wiggle it. Put it up against your body or on a table. Flip it down and then flip it down. And then the front of it is going to look amazing. When you pile that into your bathroom, it's going to look really nice and classy, luxurious. Backside, not so much so. So if you stack your towels all with the front side, all beautiful like that on your shelf or even in your closet, it's gonna look really nice. So I'll show you again. We'll use one without a hole this time. So your towel, fold it in half with the tag on the inside. Shake it a bit and don't let go of your corners. Fold them again and then take your finger, just slide it up against your body, flip and flip. That's the bad side. So flip it around to the good side and stack it on top of your other one so that you get this really beautiful look in your bathroom. Easy, right? So how do we do a bulky sweater? Well, you don't want to hang it up maybe because you don't want it to stretch out. So hold the front towards you. Same concept as the 21 Pilots t-shirt. Your peace signs. Fold the sleeves back. Use your body and just roll it over. Look at that. And it's beautiful. More 21 Pilots merch. Put the front towards me. Now this one's got a big hood. And so one thing I always do is I tie them before I wash them so you don't lose the ties. It really helps. So I'm just gonna hold it with my hood down. Peace signs, got them peace signs across the back. Flip the back with your little pinkies and whatever is left out of your hand. Put it up against your body. And voila. Dun, 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 dun. Can you tell we're fans? Huge fans. Got a lot of 21 Pilots laundry. I love them. Same goes for tea towels. Put them in half. Put them in half again. and then lay it down, and then flip, and then flip, and you get this beautiful little tea towel. When you put that in your drawer, it's going to be really lovely. If you want, you can just flip it once, and then you get a little bit flatter, larger one. I know what you're saying. You're like, Debbie, how do I do a fitted sheet? Well, they're terrible. My suggestion is to just fold it up the best you can and put it on a hanger. So if you don't have much room for your sheets, you can always take it once you've gotten it folded up enough and put it on a hanger, and then you can just hang this in your closet, whichever room it belongs to. Makes it so much easier. Then you're not hunting down which sheets fit which bed, especially if you have all one color like I do. And you know, it keeps them wrinkle free. It also keeps them from getting musty, because you know when you put them into a closet, you pull them out, sometimes it's got a funky musty smell. This will reduce that. You know, it just lets the air into it a lot better, and they're ready in each room when you need them. And please give me a thumbs up. I need a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. And subscribe. I'm doing spring cleaning this week, and I'm going to start to do all kinds of videos on top to bottom cleaning, ceilings, walls, you name it, things that may help you to get through your spring cleaning. And it's going to smell beautiful in the house. I've got some great tips. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.